So this is your original 4 gigs of RAM with the original hard drive. The only thing I did change was that I turned off your file vault, and because I need to gain access to your files to transfer it over. And then I also enabled your login to be automatically logged in instead of be prompted with a password, just so we see what the difference is in the other test. So we're at 38 seconds. Wow, we're not even logged in yet. Took another minute. All right, we're gonna stop it at 5 minutes because you can tell it's taking a long time. 0. And we still don't have our icons on the desktop. So it's still loading. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're going to turn this off and the new stuff get cracking. All right, so it has 16 gigs of RAM and it has a solid state hard drive. So it's a special hard drive. This is the original old hard drive, spindle mechanical. It boots up normally with this hard drive with 4 gigs of RAM, and it took close to 2 minutes. Check this. So now we restart. We'll hit start here in a second. There we go. Much faster. Your computer is up and running within 19 seconds. So 2 minutes. Old technology, old RAM, and now maxed it out at 16 gigs. Boots up in 20 seconds.